Welcome to Lit&Lot-English channel. In this class we will see geography instead of English. So in this class we will see what's the difference between hills and mountains. You probably climbed mountains and hills, but what's the difference between them? Let's uncover in this channel. So the first thing we have to notice is their height. Mountains are taller and steeper, usually rise above 600 meters or about 2000 feet from the surrounding land. So if it is or about 2000 feet high, we can call it a mountain. But hills are lower and gentler when compared to the mountains. They are generally below 600 meters. If something is 600 meters below height, we can call it hill and not a mountain. And shape and slope. Mountains have sharp peaks and steep slopes. So these are the characteristics of mountains. And hills have rounded tops and gentle slopes. Formation. So this is also important. How a mountain forms. So mountains are often formed by tectonic forces. It means plates colliding each other, or volcanic activity, or folding of Earth's crust. And hills can form through erosion, deposition, or weathering of rocks, usually smaller geological changes. If hill forms, there will be smaller geological change, but if a mountain forms, there will be huge geological changes. Climate and vegetation. So what will be the climate in hills and mountains? Mountains are often have colder climates and less vegetation because of the higher altitudes. And hills usually have milder climates and more vegetation. And examples for the hills and mountains. So Mount Everest is the best example for the mountain because it is 8,848 meter high and it is the world highest peak also. But here is the twist. There is one more hill called Nandi Hills. It is near Bengaluru. It's called hill, but it is around 1478 meter high. We have seen it. If something is higher than 600 meters, we have to call it mountain. But hill, this hill, Nandi Hill, even though it is 1478 meter high, but we call it hills. So what's the reason? Because of its geographical characters. Nandi Hills has gentle slopes and smaller area compared to the mountains. That is why, even though it is more than 600 meters high, we still call it hill. So, in short, if we have to say, all mountains are high hills, but not all hills are mountains. All hills become mountains, but some hills are mountains, but not all hills are mountains. Thank you.